Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Samsung rugged gadget case for the Galaxy S23 Ultra. And I picked this up on the Samsung website. It's actually pretty hard to find these in stores. I know Best Buy didn't have it. Amazon has had it on and off, but I finally just ordered one directly from Samsung, and I really like this case. It adds some nice textured grippiness to the phone. Very nice ruggedized looking back that is a nice hard plastic with your gadget attachment right here. And you can also attach a lanyard right there, which I'll get to that in a minute. I don't use a lanyard, but the only thing I do have a slight complaint about that. I might as well just talk about it now. I have a small complaint about this, and that's the fact that when you're holding your phone in your hand, unless you hold it like way up here, if you want to hold your phone kind of like down here, that digs right into the palm of your hand. So I do wish this was kind of built into the case a little more and didn't protrude so much. Maybe just like a corner cutout or something like that, because this can't be, removed or anything like that if you don't want to use it. It is part of the case. So that is the only complaint I have about that. Is it sticks out a little bit far, and it does dig into your hand depending on how you hold your phone. So just think about that if you're thinking about picking one of these up. Like I said, I do wish it was kind of built into the corner here where you just slide a lanyard through that, but it does protrude quite a bit. Now, the main feature of this phone is the gadget attachment right here. You can see the little line right there. You just line your gadget up with that, and you can snap it on. This is the stand, which can also be used as a little hand grip. And when it's open like that, you just push it up right here, and you can rotate it. You can rotate it right there to take it off, or you can rotate it like that for another click, and you can use that to stand your phone up like that as well. So very, very nice. Cool thing about these gadgets is they do lock on, so you don't have to worry about them falling off. I have the wallet right here. Both of these are included with the case. I do think Samsung is going to come out with some other stuff as well. I know they have some camera, like a tripod and remote kind of thing that goes on the back, but I have not seen those in the US market yet. I do know they're available, I think, in Europe, I believe it was, on the Samsung website, but these are really the only two things right now that I have seen. I don't know if we're going to get any third-party accessories or anything like that, but this is the wallet right here. Again, same thing, it locks on there. To take it off, there's a little button on the bottom. You just push and turn, and you have a little slot right here so you can stick your thumb in, slide your cards out. It's open right here for your cards to come out. You can get 2 to 3 cards in here. 2 is a little more comfortable, so if you want to carry like your ID and a debit or credit card like I have here, you can do that, and just snaps on right there. Very easy to take on and off and carry it on the back of your phone. It does add a little bit of bulk to it, but again, it is a rugged case, so it's not meant to be a super slim fit case or anything like that. Only thing I have about these gadgets is if you're using the wallet and you want to take the wallet with you, you've either got to put it in your phone or on your pocket. So it is kind of hard to carry both of these at the same time if you do want to, say you're going on a trip. If you've got this on your phone, you've got to carry your wallet separate, or if you're carrying your wallet and you want to use this later on, you've got to carry this separate. So just one thing to think about, it is one of those things you have to use kind of one at a time. But I usually just leave the wallet on because I'm not, one that uses a stand too much. But I do like the fact that the wallet locks on. It's not like the MagSafe wallet on iPhones, where it can pop off while you're putting it in your pocket, or you can hit it and knock it off, something like that. This is locked on there, and you have to push the button to release it, and then it just snaps back on, which is very nice and secure. So that is the Samsung Galaxy S23 gadget case. It's also available, I think, for the regular S23s as well. And then they do also have a clear version of this, that if you don't want this, big lanyard hook right here, you want a little bit of a slimmer case, they do make this case in a thinner, clear version that has the same magnet or the same attachment point back there for your accessories. So that's the rugged case for the Galaxy S23 Ultra. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and have a great day.